Our weather has been pretty incredible this week, hasn't it? It's
Yes.
been fantastic. We've been running a little bit cooler than average. We haven't seen 70 degrees, at least officially in Boston, since the weekend, and I think we've got a couple more days in the 60s. Average high now, though, is just 69 degrees. So we're going to keep it on the cooler side of things here to end the week. A milder weekend trend looks to be setting up, and that storm that we've been talking about, the potential for that ocean storm on Monday, it now looks like it's going to stay well offshore. So we're going to be watching it. It would have some tropical origins, and you can see there's some cloud cover, some rain down near Florida here, sitting off the coast of Florida now. And there has been, over the past several days, tremendous rainfall in Florida. And notice some of these totals. Fort Myers, Tampa, nearly 5 and 6 inches of rain just in the past couple of days. So it's been very wet down there. And some of that moisture going to develop into an area of low pressure. And this is the one that we have been watching for the past couple of days. It now looks like it's going to stay far enough to our east that we really don't have any significant impacts here in southern New England from rain. Some of the new computer guidance I'm looking at this morning suggesting it may wobble a little bit farther west, so we're going to have to continue to watch this track. But for the moment, it appears we're going to miss out on that storm, and that means the rest of the month could end up being dry. And over the past couple of weeks, we've really only had that one rain event back on Sunday that brought some areas close to ½ an inch of rain, and I don't see any more rain coming the rest of the month if we can keep that ocean storm away. So it's dry, and it's been a very pleasant morning, but kind of in and out of some cloud cover. This is a live look at CityCam. 62 degrees right now in Boston. The air is still dry with dew point in the 40s, and we have that easterly wind now 13 miles per hour. So it's coolest right along the coastline. Notice Plymouth just 59. We're up to 63 in Lawrence right now. We've also had a fair amount of clouds on the South Shore throughout the entire day. All of us started with the clouds, and then notice how we cleared out on the North Shore, Boston, and even Metro West. But the clouds are starting to bubble back in, and so we're cloudiest right now south of town through the South Shore and parts of the Cape. But everywhere going to generally see a mixture of clouds and some sunshine at times through the rest of the afternoon. And where we are brightest inland, well, we should warm up to about 70 degrees, otherwise low 60s with that lighter wind allowing for a sea breeze at the coastline. Overnight, there will be some clouds mixing with the clear skies, so we'll call it partly cloudy. Cool overnight, not as chilly as it has been. Temperatures either side of 50 degrees. And tomorrow, it's again a blend of sun and clouds, coolest at the coastline. You can see on Futurecast some of the clouds trying to move in from the ocean. We're going to have more of a northeasterly wind, a more pronounced northeasterly wind tomorrow with this area of high pressure on top of us. Look what happens, though, as we go toward the weekend. That high starts to drift eastward, and we'll get on the backside, which is the warmer side, so that's when the temperatures start to warm on up. So, hey, if you're looking for something to do on Saturday, the Beantown Jazz Festival is going on. Look at these temperatures. Very, very nice on Saturday. I think we sneak back into the lower 70s. Looks real nice. Danielle Volmar is going to be participating in that event, so go ahead and check it out if you're looking for something to do in the city this weekend. Sunday looks fantastic as well, and then we'll watch that storm on Monday. But for the moment, again, it looks like it stays far enough offshore that we miss out on the rain. We'll, of course, keep you posted.